you might get a little crack. They say don't crack your hands, it causes arthritis. Opposite world. Opposite world. Anybody knows they stretch their neck and then it get a crack, it feels a little less. They go to get chiropractic, there's less pressure on the joints. There's more blood flowing in, there's less pressure on the nerve because you open, soften the tissue, blood flows in, and that nervous system signal getting smashed, nerves getting smashed in dense tissue, you have relief.